In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete content on Substack. Whether you're new to Substack or simply looking to manage your existing content, learning how to delete posts, drafts, comments, or even your entire publication can be crucial. Let's dive in and walk through each step together so you can handle your Substack content with confidence. First, let's talk about deleting a post or draft. To begin, you need to open your Substack dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage all the content you create and share. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Posts. This is where all your current and past writings, whether published or still in draft form, will be listed. Now that you're in the right place, scroll through your list to locate the specific post or draft you want to get rid of. Once you've found that old article or piece you no longer need, you'll notice 3 small dots located right next to it. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu of options related to managing this piece of content. Among those options, you should see Delete. Clicking on this option will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you are absolutely certain about this action. This is an important step because once something is deleted, it's gone for good. So double check that you've selected the right piece to delete and then confirm your choice. Next, if you want to delete a comment, the process is a bit different but still very straightforward. Start by navigating to the post where the comment has been made. Comments in Substack are public, so managing them is part of maintaining the integrity and presentation of your publication. Once you're at the post, find the specific comment you wish to remove. Similar to before, you'll see 3 dots next to the comment. By clicking on these, you'll get the option to delete. Choosing this option will remove the comment from your post permanently. Finally, if you find yourself needing to delete your entire Substack publication, this is a more significant decision. Begin by going into the settings section of your dashboard. Scroll all the way down to find Danger Zone. This is where you'll find critical options for your publication. If you decide this is what you need to do, click Delete Publication. This action will trigger a series of prompts designed to confirm that you truly want to take this step. It's important to follow these prompts carefully as they serve to ensure that you're ready to fully delete your entire body of work on Substack. Remember that each of these deletion steps is final, so make sure you've backed up any information or content you might later want. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel equipped to confidently manage your Substack content. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.